Meet Hydra, a creature so small, you could easily miss it in a single drop of water. Yet, within this seemingly fragile and translucent body lies one of nature's most profound mysteries, the secret to eternal youth. This tiny freshwater invertebrate holds clues that could redefine our understanding of life and aging. Imagine cutting a hydra into pieces. Astonishingly, each piece can regenerate and grow into a brand new, complete individual. This remarkable ability is akin to slicing a human finger and watching it develop into another person, a concept that is both unsettling and incredibly fascinating. This regenerative power is a cornerstone of its unique biology.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Unlike humans and most other animals, Hydra does not age in the conventional sense. Scientists, including Daniel Martinez, have dedicated years to studying these creatures, and their research has consistently shown zero signs of aging. Hydra appears to be biologically immortal, maintaining constant mortality rates and reproductive capacity over extended periods, with one study even estimating a 5% survival rate after 1,400 years under controlled conditions. The key to Hydra's extraordinary abilities lies in its stem cells. These specialized cells never stop dividing and continuously self-renew, forming three main populations. In fact, Hydra replaces every single one of its cells roughly every 20 days, a process that is like undergoing a complete full-body makeover every month. This constant cellular turnover prevents the accumulation of damage typically associated with aging, and the transcription factor FOXO plays a critical role in regulating this stem cell homeostasis and longevity. Another crucial component in Hydra's longevity is telomerase. This enzyme is vital for protecting DNA from the damage that leads to aging. In humans, telomerase activity diminishes over time, contributing to cellular senescence. However, in Hydra, telomerase remains perpetually active, continuously repairing and renewing cells, ensuring the integrity of its genetic material and contributing to its endless vitality. Hydra also exhibits remarkable control over programmed cell death, known as apoptosis. It maintains a perfect balance, knowing precisely when to eliminate old or damaged cells and when to generate new ones. This exquisite yin-yang of life and renewal is why Hydra doesn't experience uncontrolled growth or develop cancer, a testament to its sophisticated cellular regulation. Apoptosis is even essential for its head regeneration, triggering WNT3 production and activating the beta-catenin pathway to promote mitosis. Researchers worldwide are intensely studying Hydra to unlock the fundamental biology of aging. The hope is that by understanding Hydra's mechanisms, we might discover ways to help humans live longer, healthier lives, or even rejuvenate old tissues. While true immortality might remain a distant dream, the insights gained could lead to significant advancements in extending human health span and improving well-being. Pioneering studies, such as those conducted by Tonchik and Bosch, strongly suggest that Hydra could pave the way for groundbreaking discoveries in regenerative medicine. Imagine the possibilities: repairing severe spinal injuries, regenerating damaged organs, or even reversing debilitating age-related diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. All these potential breakthroughs could be inspired by the humble biology of this tiny water creature, as Hydra research helps identify genetic programs that may be present in human cells. So, what profound lessons can we glean from the animal that seemingly defies time and never ages? Perhaps the ultimate wisdom is that immortality isn't about escaping the inevitable passage of time, but rather about mastering the art of continuous renewal, meticulously rebuilding and revitalizing itself, one cell at a time. It teaches us the power of constant regeneration and adaptation. Ultimately, Hydra serves as a powerful reminder of how much nature still has to teach us about life's most fundamental processes. It underscores the idea that sometimes the most profound answers to life's greatest mysteries and the secrets to enduring existence can be found in the most unexpected and minuscule places, fitting perfectly within a single drop of water. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What would you do if you possessed the ability to live forever? Share your ideas and aspirations in the comments section below. And if you found this journey into the world of Hydra as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SciCurious for more captivating stories from the cutting edge of scientific discovery.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.